What's this?
Mercedes G63 P820 by Mansouri. It's a world-class edition, one of one.
One of one.
You can see there's no exposed carbon fiber. Everything in the carbon fiber. You see the bonnet, the grille, the front bumper, fenders, extensions, door extension, 2 centimeters on this one.
Everything is carbon
Everything
fiber.
is in carbon fiber.
But not exposed.
Not exposed. P820 stands for Performance 820 horsepower.
This car has 820 horsepower.
This car is extended 17 centimeters.
So is it like this long?
Little bit longer.
Little bit longer.
Yeah.
Wow. Whoa.
Residential. Suicide doors.
Slam it. Can I slam it?
You can, but it has a soft close. Suction.
Suction. It likes to suck the door gap.
We modified the seats, the doors. You got lights, illuminated lights on the
Inside.
doors, inside. Steering wheel modified. Start engine on the roof. Seat belts in Mansouri.
Is this car loud?
It's very loud.
I want to hear how this car screams.
Car expert. This is comfort mode.
This is comfort mode. One more. That's the world map.
Yeah.
I can see here it says one of one, and that's the world map. I must not let you have all the fun. Brother, how much?
4.5. We'll close the deal with the golden pen.
USD? Are you talking about USD or dirhams?
Dirhams. Sign.